Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're here in Beach Walk, Bali, Indonesia shopping mall. And now I'm walking with Spider-Man here in the street, and we're looking at Spider-Man costume because Basti's Spider-Man costume is a bit tight, so we have to find a little bit bigger size for my son Basti. Walking in the street is a very good fun. Most of the people, the Balinese people, they are very nice and friendly.
I don't know. I don't care. Let me get hit.
Yan, maraming nagtitinda. Medyo masikip dahil ganitong lugar dito. Maraming mga and daming Louis Vuitton bag. Money changer. Tapos mayroon pang malaking tinto.
Spider-Man!
Si Spider-Man. Hello. Thank you. Why? Spider-Man is snob. Basti. Hey. Here in the shopping. So ngayon, ayan, nandito kami sa loob ng shopping mall. Dito sa Bali. Oh, look at that, Mark Spencer. Oh, look at that. Mark Spencer shop. Ang daming Mark Spencer. Ayan. Ang ganda pa ng mga swimsuit. Let's go inside. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa Mark Spencer. Oh, dito kami sa Mark Spencer, guys. Ayan. Ayan ang mga bag nila. Magkano kaya to? How much this? $199.
$90.
Very simple. Simple.
It's quite nice.
Ang dami tao dito, guys. Where is daddy's going? Kaya nice kayo sila shoppingan din oh. Nice. Wow, ang ganda ng shopping dito, guys. Merong Havaianas, Jordan. Converse, Adidas. Ang ganda ng shopping dito. Grabe. Can you see that under the
Why even? Yeah, that's nice. Oh wait, turn over. Yeah. Oh crap, not here. Yeah. That's nice.
Ini mah
Oh ya nanti dah sama saya ya kita olahraga.
this way.
Stand over there. I had to stop it.
Let's go this way. Basta kamu siya gusto.
Yeah.
Want some? Which one? The big one?
That's not.
Look at this. Close. You can get one. Basta, you want some?
Okay, go through there.
Let's go this way.
Isn't this nice?
This is nice. Oh, look at this. There's plenty. Can you stand up there, Bob?
How about you point over there?
You stand up there. Yeah. You look there. Come on here, Daddy. Daddy pushing it.
It's nice. Anyways.
Oh, with Daddy.
Yeah.
Peace and love. Love the Daddy.
We're Busty? Oh, Busty's here, good.
And Kuya Paing is here. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Very nice here.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
You find a next seat. They can take you there. From this one back there. Because we have to go back.
Oh, it's nice.
Dilanjut.